Okay, so now let us look at how to connect your form, your Google Form responses to Google Sheets, such that whenever a new response, we have a new response, whenever somebody fills in a form, the details that the person filled out automatically sent to Google Sheets. So you can have everything at a glance. You can see everything in the sheet, and then you can even work on the sheet, manipulate the data, and do whatever you want with it. Now, thanks to Google, you can do that with one click. You don't even need to write any code. So you would come over to responses, and then you would see this green looking button here. So you click on it. So you can create a new okay. So you can create a new spreadsheet, and then this will be the name of the spreadsheet, or you can send this data to an already existing spreadsheet. So for this case, we'll create a new spreadsheet. The name would have been this is a test responses. So we can leave it like this, or we can just put test. So whatever name you want to use, you use it here, but then I will just leave it this way, and then we'll hit create. So the moment you see it is linking, and then now the Google Sheet has been created. So we can now see those responses. All right, so you can now see them. You can see the um, the details I feed into the form. You can see them here. Now let us fill this form again. So let us fill this form again. We preview. So we'll put in the password. Okay, the password is already here. Next, and then we'll use other details. Let us just use Mike. Let us just fill in some random details here. We'll just leave this option and then we'll hit submit. So now we have submitted the form. Now let us check our sheet. So now you can see the details we just feed are now available on the sheets, Google Sheet. So anytime a response is made, there's a new response. Anytime somebody fills in the form, you can have everything right here in Google Sheets. All right. So that is how to connect your Google Forms with Google Sheets.